Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. Still have some overcast skies out there this morning with some thunderstorms in the area. We are currently under a lightning warning, so we have lightning being detected within 10 nautical miles. We should see those showers start to push off as we go throughout the next hour or two and see some breaks in these lower clouds as we go throughout the day. Otherwise, if we take a look at the current surface analysis, I see the boundary that indicated on here with those showers. Those have pushed into our area and will be exiting as we go over the next hour or two. Looking at the upper level winds from this morning's balloon sounding, we have some southerly winds near the surface coming west-northwesterly to north-northwesterly as we go up through the column. Got a peak wind of 40 knots, around 16,000 feet. And the freezing level is at 14,200 feet. If we take a look at the current radar, we can see what's left of those showers and storms in the area starting to push off to our southeast, and we'll continue to do so again over the next hour or two, and we should see some drier conditions as we get into the afternoon hours. If we take a look at the visible satellite and composite radar, again, much of the same picture. A bulk of that shower activity moving off to the southeast and still remaining mostly cloudy as we get into the afternoon, but again could see some breaks in the clouds, particularly low clouds as we go throughout the day, with some slightly breezy conditions as we go into the afternoon. Otherwise, if we take a look at the high resolution model as we go throughout the day, again those showers pushing off to the southeast, and we'll see some breaks in those low clouds, maybe even break in the high clouds ahead of our next chance of seeing some showers pushing into the area as we go through the overnight hours tonight. This model a little bit drier than before, but still keeping that chance of showers in the area as we go through the overnight hours. Then we'll see those push out of here and the clouds start to break up as we get into our Friday, and we'll see temperatures warm up quite a bit with a pretty hot and muggy day for the Friday, and then as we get into the late Friday afternoon and into the early part of the evening, we'll see another chance of seeing some showers before they push out, and then we'll see things clear up for the weekend, and we'll see temperatures cool down as well. Looking at the longer term forecast, as we go throughout the weekend and into the beginning of next week, we should remain dry and on the cooler to seasonable conditions. And that will continue until we get into the middle of next week, as we'll have a upper level ridge start to build into the area, and we'll see a few chances of showers moving into the forecast as we get into Tuesday and Wednesday. So looking at 24-hour weather risk chart, we do have the red risk precip and lightning in the area until noon today, with a yellow risk for those reduced ceilings until those showers start to push out of here. Then we'll see things go green for the most of the afternoon, expecting a high around 78, and the winds picking up a little bit out of the south. Could see a few gusts up to 20 knots as we get into the later part of the afternoon. Otherwise dry until we get into the evening hours, where around or thereafter 8 to 10 local time p.m. We'll see chances of showers move back into the forecast, looking about a 20 to 30% chance of some showers and some thunderstorms as we go through the overnight. Should see those start to taper off as we get towards the 3 a.m. hour, and things will start drying out, clearing out as we get into our Friday again, with those winds becoming southwesterly to west-southwesterly, and we'll see temperatures quickly recover, only expecting a low of 72, and then we'll see things warm up pretty quickly as we get into Friday. Tides are running slightly above normal, and as we go into our Friday again, warm and humid for Friday with some partly cloudy conditions. We'll see the breeze pick up a bit as we get into the afternoon. Could see a peak of some winds at or just above 20 knots, so we do have a yellow risk for seeing wind advisory, though not the greatest chance of seeing that. Otherwise, we'll have a yellow for precip and lightning, as well as reduced ceilings, with a chance of a late afternoon evening shower or thunderstorm. and expecting again a warm day with a high of 93. Could see some heat index values in the mid to upper 90s. As we go into Friday evening, we'll keep a slight chance of a lingering shower or thunderstorm early and mostly cloudy, and then we'll see those clouds start to clear, and we'll see some slightly breezy conditions, otherwise clearing with a low of 68. So we do have the yellow risk for seeing that chance of a lingering shower or thunderstorm with the precip and lightning, and as well as the reduced ceilings. Otherwise, if we get into Saturday, it should be a pretty nice day, partly cloudy and with seasonable conditions with a high around 80 degrees. Otherwise, it will be breezy for Saturday. I do have a yellow risk for a wind advisory, as we'll see some peak gusts up into and around 20 knots or there above. Otherwise, we'll see some increasing clouds as we get late into the afternoon, evening, and then things will clear up again as we get into Sunday. So starting with Sunday, another partly cloudy day, slightly breezy, expecting a high of 76. That's slightly below average for this time of year. Getting into the evening, expecting a low of 56. Much of the same for Monday, with the exception of some extra clouds later in the day, but otherwise a high of 78. Going into Monday evening, expecting a low of 67. And as we get into Tuesday and Wednesday, we'll see a slight chance at this time of seeing a few showers move in to the forecast again, but mostly cloudy for our Tuesday with a high of 83 and a low of 69 as we go into Tuesday evening, and things warming up a bit for Wednesday with a high of 84 and mostly cloudy to cloudy for our Wednesday. Well, that will wrap up our 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We'll be back tomorrow at 8:15 and 10 a.m. Otherwise, enjoy the rest of your day.